Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making drumstick egg curry. Oil 2 tablespoon, chopped onion 1 cup. Saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Turmeric half tablespoon. Red chilli powder 2 tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Tomato chopped 1 cup. Drumsticks 250 grams. Salt as per taste. Saute for 2 minutes. Close the lid, cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Boiled eggs. Mix everything. Water 1 cup. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Some benefits of drumstick: nourishing skin and hair, improving eye health, preventing liver diseases, nerve system disorders, prevents the cancer and kidney stones. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.